All right, there is a breaking news that you just need to know right now. It's the news we have been waiting for concerning reprinting your JAMB slip. Of course, I'm sure you know, if you have been following the videos we've been dropping, that exam is starting very soon. In fact, JAMB has shifted the date for commencement of this year's 2025 JAMB exam. I will update you on it. I will drop a video about that. But right now, you can go ahead and print your exam slip. Let me read it for you. This is official statement coming from JAMB spokesperson that was published just today on Vanguard. Candidates are encouraged to print their notification slips starting today, Saturday, April 19th, 2025. So I don't know the particular day you are watching this very video, but you can go ahead right now and print your slip. This will provide ample time for logistical arrangement to access the assigned centers, because when you print your slip, you will not know the place that JAMB assigned you for your exam, okay, within the chosen examination towns. Now, how do you print your slip? You just go to this website on the screen, www.jamb.gov.ng. Then you can now see print examination, enter your click on 2025 UTME slip printing, enter your registration number and click on print examination slip. Now let me also give you the website again. Look at this website. Yesterday I talked about it. slipsprinting.jamb.gov.ng/print examination slip. Once you click on this, it will take you to this portal, a portal like this one you are seeing on the screen. So you can now put your reg number, your email or your GSM number, and then you click on print examination slip. There are two ways you can do that. You can either print it on your own without going to a cyber cafe. That is if you have a laptop at home, if you have a system at home and a printer, you can actually print it at home. But if you don't have that, you can just carry your get these materials, your name, your exam number, JAMB registration number, your phone number, your email address, and go to the nearest cyber cafe close to you that will print it. When you print it, I encourage you to photocopy it. Have a copy that you can use, you present to them in the JAMB exam hall. If you have any issue, any question concerning the examination or reprinting, or you lost your email or anything, kindly go ahead and talk to me in the comment section. Ensure that you receive. We have done a lot of videos, use of English, past question and answer. We have given you all of them. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on your subject, just let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, go ahead and let me know. You have not become a member of our channel, tell me so I can tell you how to be a member. Go ahead, like this video, share this video, and subscribe now.